Across the Australian market, the way organizations build and deploy AI is changing fast. AI is moving closer to the teams actually doing the work: engineers, developers, and product builders. And as that shift accelerates, so does demand for GPU compute, along with the cost and complexity of accessing it at scale. Dicker Data is seeing this play out across every vertical we operate in. The organizations pulling ahead aren't the ones with the biggest data center budgets. They're the ones who found smarter ways to put GPU capability directly in the hands of their builders. That's exactly what 365 Mesh has done. Working with Dell Technologies, NVIDIA, and Dicker Data, they've rethought where and how AI workloads run, bringing enterprise-grade GPU performance closer to the teams driving innovation, and turning that into real customer outcomes. Here's what they're seeing in the market and how they're doing it.
AI is creating value at an accelerating pace, and yet many organizations are still not set up to capture it effectively. Those moving ahead are shortening the path from idea to real-world results. At 365 Mesh, we focus on making that shift practical. We help organizations turn AI into measurable outcomes. And with products across more than 15 industry verticals, we see what it takes to move AI from pilot into production. Green Mesh, our Australian AI Awards gold-winning product, is a strong example of that in action. It reduces risk, improves operational visibility in many industries such as construction and mining, where safety and cost pressures are really high. We use multimodal AI embedded into real environments, supported by 365 Mesh manufactured sensors, to detect issues earlier and help teams act before incidents occur. We adapt the AI to each environment and run it both on-site and centrally, so issues are picked up earlier and handled more efficiently. And what makes it all possible is speed, the ability to continuously refine models as conditions change and push those improvements into real operations. That only works when teams can build, test, and iterate quickly. And this is where Dell Pro Max with GB10, built on NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, has changed how our AI product engineers develop and scale AI.
At 365 Mesh, we are not just building and fine-tuning custom AI models. We're running full-scale agentic AI pipelines orchestrated across edge to cloud, involving IoT, video, geospatial, multimodal systems. The challenge isn't just accuracy, it's speed of iteration at scale. Traditionally, we only relied on advanced data center GPUs for experimentation. But when it comes to rapid MLOps cycles, they were actually slowing us down. The bottleneck isn't just compute, it's iteration latency, environment friction, and pipeline complexity. For example, in Green Mesh, we are dealing with millions of multimodal events per day. This involves high cardinality datasets and constantly evolving models. So we need to experiment fast and not just scale big. At the same time, because we are running this across large-scale deployments, every mistake amplifies. So it's absolutely critical to get it right and get it right fast. The major challenges in AI engineering are high false positives, ever-evolving diverse datasets, models, and edge cloud coordination. All of these require us to run and test multimodal pipelines locally, accelerate feature engineering, validate model data drifts, scenarios, and scenario edge conditions. This also involves iterating across multimodal variants in parallel. This is exactly where Dell Pro Max with GB10 comes in for us. It provides a dedicated high-performance development layer where we can run full MLOps pipelines locally without the latency, cost friction, or orchestration overhead of data center GPUs. This dramatically compresses our iteration cycles and significantly enhances the performance of our AI Workbench factory. That translates directly into faster time to market, high-quality models, and accelerated product optimization cycles.
Our main advantage as a Dicker Data partner is gaining access to the latest AI technologies from NVIDIA and Dell Technologies to create value for our customers at accelerated pace.
What 365 Mesh has built is a strong example of what's possible when the right infrastructure meets the right partner. The Dell Pro Max with GB10 running on NVIDIA DGX OS puts dedicated GPU capability directly at the point of innovation, giving AI engineering teams a faster, more controlled environment to build, test, and iterate without the cost and complexity of routing everything through a data center. Based on 365 Mesh's own modeling, a single GB10 delivers full ROI in under 6 months on active AI engineering workflows. This is the kind of real-world acceleration Dicker Data is focused on through AI Accelerate, bringing together NVIDIA capability, Dell Technologies systems, and partner expertise like 365 Mesh to help organizations move faster from experimentation to production. Because when the right technology meets the right partner, AI innovation doesn't just scale, it delivers. If you want to explore how to position this in your market, please reach out to your Dicker Data representative.